How to find currency settings on Amazon shopping on Android or iOS phone. First open Amazon shopping and then click these three lines here, and once you're here click settings and then click country and language, and here we'll find currency, and that's it. Here select any other currency you want and then click done, and it will be saved. And if you can't find it here, just change your country. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.